Hi, this is Andrew Sheaf with Mastering Flow. I help triathletes identify the critical skills for fast swimming, and I help them learn those skills in any location. We're continuing our series on designing effective sets and effective workouts. We're continuing to roll through main sets focused on endurance development, looking at different types of sets that you can use. Today, we're going to focus on speed change sets. This is another great way to help you get out of a speed rut. The main idea is that you change speed in a back and forth manner, switching between faster and slower efforts. There are several ways to do this. The first choice is either to make the change between repetitions or within repetitions. If you change speed between repetitions, that means each repetition is performed at a uniform speed. So for instance, the odd repetitions will be performed faster than the even repetitions. You would then alternate between faster and slower speeds for a given repetition distance. In contrast, within repetition speed changes mean that you're changing speed within a single repetition. That means that some segments of a single repetition are fast and some segments are slower. Another option that you can choose to use is to have a big contrast in speed or a small contrast in speed. That means, is there a large difference between the speeds that you're using, or is there a relatively small difference in the speeds that you're using? A smaller contrast would be more beneficial in creating sustained endurance. A large contrast is more valuable if you're really trying to focus on speed and learning how to create a burst of speed. A critical point is that the lengths of the faster and slower repetitions do not have to be the same. For instance, you could perform a 200 faster and a 50 slower, or you could perform a 50 faster and a 200 slower. If you're performing speed changes within a repetition, the same concept applies. You could alternate segments where the faster portion is longer and the slower portion is shorter, or vice versa. Check out the key takeaways at the end of this video for a summary of all of these concepts. To see these concepts in action, check out the sample sets that follow. To make sure you're notified when the next video is released, be sure to subscribe below. It really helps me spread the word about effective swimming, and the more I can spread the word, the more videos I'm going to create.